Hey Mark, my name is Thomas. Thank you for taking time to watch this video today. Wanted to show you a few tips to as far as your website, your existing website, and how to improve it to move yourself up in the rankings in Google, and then in turn getting more customers through your door, best getting more phone calls and getting more jobs. So I want to go over your site. You got a beautiful site here. I really like it. It's set up nice. You got beautiful pictures. Loved your work with stamped concrete. I mean, it looks awesome. I love the way that looks. And one of these days, when I get my house, I'm actually going to have that done myself. So, great job on the pictures. You've got a really nice site. It's very well put together. Again, love the pics. Love how you have this set up, and get the coupons here. Um, Basically, wanted to show you a couple things we do and improve. Basically, right here, as far as for concrete contractors, you're still doing pretty good. You're obviously in the bottom of page 1, which isn't bad. So you are getting seen by customers, which is really good. Basically, what we could do is go back in here, maybe just add a little more content in some of these pages, add more pages possibly, maybe go over your services versus just having everything on one page. That's really going to help you as far as getting your site moved up, and in turn getting more customers. Another thing is really really important. Found here, if you go to the site, your site is not mobile friendly. Probably hasn't been worked on in a little while. This is really important. If I were to bring this up on my screen, I got like a 5-inch screen, it would be pretty much useless, and I would just move on to your competitors. So, really, really want to get this fixed and get your site as far as getting more content and getting more thing in. Again, so your Facebook page, love it. I have a great setup. Got some really nice pictures. I love your work. You do obviously really good work. So basically, just yeah. If you're interested in getting your site redone as far as more content or completely rebuilt, in this case, you're probably better off just getting it rebuilt. Let me know. I'll answer any questions you have, and we'll come together and get a site together that you'll love and that will be a decent price for you that you can afford. So, and we also do financing too if that's something that you're interested in. So, any questions or concerns, just send me a message back. I'm going to send this to your Facebook page, and you have a great day.